Welcome to a new episode of our podcast dedicated to regulatory affairs and life science. In today's episode, we will talk of design and compliance and discuss the reasons why regulatory requirements can't be left out in healthcare product graphics. In the world of health and wellness, a graphic error is not only an aesthetic issue, it's a legal and business risk. Whether it is an OTC, a food supplement or a face cream, the packaging and information material must pass the scrutiny of the competent authorities, such as IFA, Ministry of Health, or notified bodies. Entrusting an agency that integrates the work of the graphics department with that of the regulatory affairs means to eliminate any risk of sanction or delays in the launch on the market. In such matters, Direnzo Regulatory Affairs can support companies in the various sectors. Let's see how. To begin with, when considering pharmaceutical packaging, precision is of the utmost importance, along with an appropriate management of the artworks. In fact, in the pharmaceutical packaging sector, the margin of error is zero. The preparation of pharmaceutical artworks requires a deep knowledge of the readability guidelines, such as font size, land spacing, and of the management of sensible data, such as the MA code and the stickers released by the Italian state printer. Our service ensures that stickers, leaflets, and cartons are ready for marketing, in compliance with GMP standards and serialization requirements, thus avoiding any costs for manufacturing scraps due to non-compliant materials. On the other hand, in the case of food supplements, it's how you manage claims that matters. The success of a food supplement packaging is in the balance between market appeal and regulatory accuracy, and the challenge is the management of the health claims. Our graphics team works in strict cooperation with regulatory experts to ensure that each promise you make on the product is formulated according to Regulation EC 1924 of 2006. Not only do we create a captivating design, but we also check that the nutrition facts table and any warning are correctly positioned in order to pass the official controls. In the medical device sector, the focus is on the CE marking and on the instructions for use. Medical device graphics should transmit safety and immediacy. We take care of the design of labels and information materials, including all harmonized symbols required, and a correct display of the CE marking. We all know how critical it is for IFUs to be clear and in compliance with the new MDR, IVDR regulations. We transform technical difficulties into readable layouts, ensuring that UDI identification is always managed with the utmost technical precision. In the cosmetic packaging design, the image of the brand is essential, but it must coexist with specific obligations such as the INCI list, the PAO, the period after opening, and the batch traceability. Along with the packaging, we also take care of the graphics for the product advertising, ensuring that every brochure or social campaign meets the norms on health advertising. This integrated approach allows cosmetic companies to show up in the market with elegance, with no fear that promotional materials are challenged for lack of the expected requirements or for misleading promises. Do you wish to have your current packaging revised, or do you need to develop a new line of products? Contact us for technical advice. Matching creativity and compliance is our mission. If you're looking for a partner that is capable to turn regulations into a competitive advantage for your brand, we are ready to help. With us, your next project is safe. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you want to listen to other podcasts, sign up for our channel, follow up on social media, and join us for next episode.